Now we are learning the scope of variable. A scope is any programming language is a region of the program where a defined variable can have its existence, and beyond that variable cannot be accessed. Basically, the scope is something where the variable can be accessed. Let us suppose that we are saying void main. In the void main, we used to define a variable that is int a, and we used to write some of the coding for integer a. Let us suppose that we are saying print a or something. Now this integer a is defined inside that block. This is the complete block. Void main is a block. Now if I say that this int a can be accessed outside, no, it cannot be accessed outside. So the scope means where this variable can be used. Variable can only be used inside that particular boundary. So this boundary is the scope of the variable. Scope means where the variable can be used. If I say the outside int a, or if I say the outside print a, so whether the variable will be printed. So this question will be answered with the help of the scope of variable. So we must know that while declaring the variable, whether the variable will be used at this position or not. This is called the scope. Now I am taking one more example. Let us suppose that I have defined void main. Now in the void main I have used two further functions. Let us suppose that void sum, that is one more function, and one more function I am using void subtract and double quotes end. So there if I say int a, so integer a which is declared will be used only in this particular block. But whether this a will be used in this block or not, so that will depend upon the scope. If the variable is not declared here, so it cannot be used at this position, but will be used in this particular block. So this is called the scope. Scope means where the variable is having the existence. So this is the scope. There are two places where variable can be declared in C programming language. One is inside a function or the block, and one is the outside of all functions. So if anything is inside the function, that is called local variable, and anything which is outside the function is called the global variable. So the local variable are those variables which are declared inside, like suppose I am saying there, these are the local variable. Or if I declare something outside on the top, let us suppose here I declare int a or ab I assume, because a I have already taken, so that will become the global. Global means everybody can access. Local means only that block can access. So I will take the example to make you understand the scope of local and the global variable. Let us suppose that I am saying this void main. In this void main, if I say int a, now this int a is only used in the boundary. So this is the local variable for this boundary. I am taking one more example. Let us suppose that there is void main. Inside void main, there is one more function. Let us suppose void sum. Now here I am saying int a, and there is one more function. I am taking the above example same, which is void subtract. Now the variable which is declared int a is the part of this boundary, means it can only be used here because the brackets are placed. If I use to print here int a, I cannot print this one because the scope of this variable a is in between these boundaries. So here the variable is local, but somehow I declare the variable on the top of void main. If I say int w here, now this w is outside the scope. It is having the global scope. That means it is above this bracket. and also above this bracket, above this bracket. So this W can be used inside the main. It can also be used inside this sum. It will also be used inside this subtract. So that is the difference between global and the local variable. Local variable is having the local scope. Let us suppose that this void sum is having the int a. This is the local scope inside only this one. Now the global variable above the main function is having the global scope. Anybody inside the main, inside the sum, or inside the subtract can use it.